Hi, scholars. Today we're doing Module 6, Lesson 3. I need you to have a plain piece of paper and a pencil to follow along with this because we're first going to start with an application problem. But before we get to there, our objective is I can use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. Like I said, we're going to start with an application problem. It says Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamara have? Using a double tape diagram, you need to solve this problem. You have 3 minutes. Your timer went off, so I'm going to go over the answer. Our problem said Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamara have? So I put a T for Tamara, a P for Peter. I put their first tapes as the same size. And then I knew that Peter has 10 goldfish. So I put a 10 in there. I knew Tamara has 4 more goldfish than Peter, so I put an extra tape on hers and put a 4. I knew that if Peter had 10 goldfish, that Tamara's first tape had to also be 10 inside because it's the same size tapes. I wanted to find out how many goldfish does Tamara have, so I put my arms at the ends. I put a question mark in the middle. I didn't know that, so I used 10 plus 4 to get the answer 14. I boxed my answer and I made the question mark equal 14. For our lesson today, I'm showing this number with my hide 0 cards. What number am I showing? 47. When I pull apart these cards, 47 is going to be in 2 parts. What parts will they be? You think it'll be 40 and 7. You're right. Why don't we see 40 in the cards, but just the number 4? Four stands for 40 because it's in the tens place. And we see our 7 because it's in the ones place. It's just 7 ones. So like we said, when I pull my cards apart, I have 40 and I have 7. Now I want to show 47 using quick 10 drawings. I'm going to count out each 10 and add on each of the ones the say 10 way as I'm drawing them. I want you to follow along. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 4 10s 1, 4 10s 2, 4 10s 3, 4 10s 4, 4 10s 5, 4 10s 6, 4 10s 7. How many 10s did we draw? 4 10s. How many 1s did we draw? 7 1s. Now I have a place value chart on my board. I want to fill in the place value chart. How many 10s are in 47? 4 10s. So let's write 4 in the tens place. How many 1s are in 47? 7 1s. So let's write 7 in the ones place. We're going to do this process again with a new number. What number am I showing here? Good, 57. When I take my cards apart, what 2 parts are we going to see in the number 57? Good, we're going to see 50 and 7. Now I'm going to draw quick 10 drawings to show that number. Here's my quick 10 drawings to show my 2 parts. And now we're going to put it in a place value chart. How many 10s are in 57? We have 5 10s. How many 1s are in 57? 7 1s. I have 5 10s, 7 1s, or the number 57. What number am I showing here? 67. What are the 2 parts we're going to see when I pull my cards apart? We're going to see 60 and 7. Now I'm going to draw quick 10 drawings to show my 2 parts. Now we're going to put that in a place value chart. Looking at our first part, how many 10s are in the number 67? Good, we saw 6 tens. How many ones are in the number 67? Good, there's 7 ones. You can see it in our quick 10 drawing, and you can see it in our cards at the top. What number am I showing here? 86. When I take my cards apart, what are the 2 parts we're going to see in 86? We're going to see 80 and 6. Now I'm going to show you my quick 10 drawings. And now we're going to put it in a place value chart. How many tens are in the number 86? Good, there's 8 tens in the number 86. How many ones are in 86? Good, there's 6 ones. You can check your answer by looking at your quick 10 drawing, looking at your cards. What number do we have here? 68. And what are the 2 parts we're going to pull out of 68? Good, we're going to pull out a 60 and 8. Now I'm going to show you quick 10 drawings. I'm showing 60 and I'm showing 8. How many tens are in the number 68? Good, there's 6 tens in 68. How many ones are in 68? Good, there's 8 ones in 68. What number am I showing here? 95. What 2 parts are we going to pull out of this number? Good, we're going to pull out 90 and 5. Now I'm going to show you my quick 10 drawings. And then we're going to put this in a place value chart. How many tens are in the number 95? There's 9 tens. How many ones are in 95? Good job, 5. Now we're getting to 3-digit numbers. This is our last one. We have the number what? 100. How do you think we're going to split up this number? We're going to think of the number 100 as 10 tens and 0 ones. Now let me show you what that looks like in my quick 10 drawings. I have my tens, my quick tens, and I have 0 ones. I'm showing the number 100. In my place value chart, how many tens are in 100? How many tens are in 100? Look at your quick 10 drawing and count how many tens are in 100. Good, there's 10 tens in 100. If you put your finger on the first 10 stick, or quick 10, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 tens. How many ones are in 100? Good, there's 0 ones. We don't have any ones in our drawing, and we have no ones at the end of 100. Now we're going to move on to something new, a little different from this. What does the digit 6 stand for? What does that 6 stand for? Good, it stands for 6 tens, and 6 tens is the same as 60. What does the digit 4 stand for? 4 is the same as 4 ones, or it's showing us 4 ones. What is 6 tens and 4 ones, or 60 and 4? So this is what I'm saying. 6 tens, 4 ones equals 60 plus 4 equals. What does that equal? Good, it equals 64. We're going to try it again. I have the number 74. What does the digit in this, the digit 7 stand for? 7 tens. 7 tens is the same as 70. What does the digit 4 stand for? It stands for 4 ones. What is 7 tens, 4 ones, or 70 plus 4? What do those both equal? They both equal 74. Let's try it again. I have the number 97. What does the digit 9 stand for? Good, 9 tens. And 9 tens is the same as 90. Good job. What does the digit 7 stand for? Good, it stands for 7 ones. What does 9 tens, 7 ones equal, or 90 plus 7? They both equal 97. This is our last one. What does the digit 10 stand for? 10 tens. 10 tens is the same as 100. Make sure you're careful with that. 10 tens is 100. What does the digit 0 stand for? 0 ones. What is 10 tens, 0 ones equal to? What is 100 plus 0 equal? They both equal 100. For your problem set today, you don't need to copy down the pictures. I just need you to have your place value chart and filling in those blanks at the bottom on a piece of blank paper. You have 8 problems to do. You're going to write the tens and the ones and complete the statement. You have 5 minutes. Do the best that you can. That was your timer. Remember to have somebody at home send me a picture of this on the phone or through email so I can give you that grower team point. This is our last video for the week. Have a great spring break. I know we're all stuck at home, but it's a nice week off of school, so you won't have to check on YouTube. There's no packets to do. You can just relax and enjoy some time with your families. We will be back on the YouTube channel after spring break. So that's on April 20th. We will be back on here and you'll have a new packet to start. Miss you guys. Love you all.